Good morning, Hanson Huskies. Happy Monday to you all. In this week's lesson, starting today with Monday, there are going to be some video links for you to watch that will help you with your language arts. It will also help you with your social studies. We're combining those two topics together. We're going to be looking at the meaning of a thesis statement. So in your directions for your social studies research project, you are to write a thesis statement, and you might be a little bit confused on how to do that. So we're going to take a look at exactly what is a thesis statement. What does that mean? Okay. Well, according to Wikipedia, a thesis statement is basically the main point of your research paper. Here it tells us a thesis statement usually appears at the end of the introductory paragraph of a paper. So in your introduction, it's going to be the last statement that you make in that first opening paragraph. A thesis statement offers a concise summary of the main point or claim of the essay or research paper. It's usually expressed in one sentence, and the statement may be reiterated elsewhere, meaning you'll hear it again in another part of your essay. It contains the topic and the most important ideas, okay, key details. So you will be looking at two different video links. The first one is how to write a thesis statement for a research paper. This is a 9-minute video with lots of great information in it. Hold on to this link. You're going to want to look at it more than once. It will have step-by-step information on what to include in your thesis statement and what not to include. Okay? The second video you're going to watch before you write that introduction to your essay, you're going to watch this short video. It's less than 3 minutes. How to write a thesis statement for a research paper. It will review having a hook, okay, and different ways to begin your introduction. It'll be a review for you. We've learned this in language arts. So hold on to the links to these two videos because they're going to help you. And I want you to work on today for Monday, writing that introduction to your research paper. Some of you may have already started, so this is a good chance for you to compare what you have done and see if you've got all of the essential information and a strong thesis statement. You may need to revise and edit. Okay? All right. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to email me, and I look forward to hearing from you. Don't forget to check in with your teachers every day. All right. Bye-bye.